Good afternoon, Cresty.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Christy Comendador Valdesera, 34 years old, a mother of 5 kids, and my husband's name is Jimel Valdesera.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Pardon, ma'am?
Okay, why do you want to work as a maid?
Because it's the only way for me to how to earn money to sustain financially.
Okay, why choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because it's a nearest country from the Philippines, ma'am, and I know that Malaysian people are good treating to the Filipino people.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Yes, ma'am, I'm qualified for this job because I'm physically, mentally fit, and I'm hardworking.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm a secondary level, ma'am, graduate.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'm a price monitoring of DTI Livelihood Program. But before that, I have been experienced also as a housemaid, but here in the Philippines only.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My own baby, ma'am. 5 kids.
Okay. How about elderly people?
My grandmother, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Like cooking, cleaning.
Hmm. Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Currently, are you still working now?
I have no work from now, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. But Filipino dishes only.
Okay. Like what?
Like adobo, sisig, crispy pata.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of that.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Especially taking care of baby, cleaning,
Okay.
washing clothes,
Mm-hmm.
ironing.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband was taking care of my kids, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish your works and going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender your handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing of using the handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you cannot hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will just allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. The top up for your phone will be bear by yourself. Are you agreed for these terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulations for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and
2
understand?
years contract, ma'am.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
Hardworking. To do my duties and responsibilities. disciplined, honest, loyal, and be patient.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I give my all best, ma'am, to do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while
Yes,
work?
ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your
Yes,
employer?
ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any
Yes,
circumstances?
ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a
No,
maid?
ma'am. I did not pay in it.
Okay. Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other
No,
illness?
ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical
No, ma'am.
defect? Have you suffered from any serious
No, ma'am.
illness? Have you undergone any operation?
Ligate only. Ligate.
Okay. Are you medically
Yes, ma'am.
fit? Are you in any
No,
medication?
ma'am.
Are you allergic with any
No,
food?
ma'am.
Okay, Christy, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Okay. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go
I
back?
will continue my work, ma'am, until I finish my contract.
Okay, Christy, what do you want to tell the employer watching your video right now?
Again, good afternoon, ma'am, sir. If if you want to choose me, I promise to do my best, to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to work hard in your country. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Christy. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by